Hi, I'm Jenna from Sit Bite Go, and today I'm here to share with you one of my favorite ways to cook sweet potatoes. One of the most delicious ways I found to cook sweet potatoes is to completely drench them in butter. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the Sit Bite Go YouTube channel. To make this recipe for 2 people, use 2 sweet potatoes. You also need butter, which is melted, salt, and paprika. That's all going to go on the sweet potatoes before they go in the oven. To finish, I like to sprinkle with cilantro and blue cheese. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees. Slice peeled sweet potatoes into 1-inch discs. Mix together the butter, salt, and paprika so you can drizzle them on the sweet potatoes after you arrange them on a rimmed baking sheet. It's important to use a sheet pan that has a lip to it because you're adding quite a bit of butter. That's what really soaks in all of the tastiness of the sweet potato. So the sweet potatoes are baking in the oven for about 20 minutes. Take them out, flip the sweet potatoes, and bake them for another 25 minutes. You'll know they're done when the outsides are crispy. It's kind of like a delicious mashed potato inside a crispy outer layer of buttery sweet potato. It's so good. Personally, I like blue cheese on just about anything, so one of my favorite ways to serve these sweet potatoes when they're done and out of the oven is to sprinkle on some blue cheese on top. This is definitely one of the easiest ways to cook sweet potatoes, so I hope you have success when you cook yours. You can find step-by-step directions for these sweet potatoes roasted in the oven with plenty of butter at sitbitego.com. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. I hope you have a wonderful day. Cheers! The butter would completely spill out of the pan if you didn't have a sheet pan with